Are you thinking about switching over from Android to iPhone? Trying to manually copy or recover those lost memories after a setup mistake takes hours and causes unnecessary stress. Fortunately, Apple provides a straight path to safeguard everything. Today, we're showing you the best and simplest way to transfer all your valuable files, pictures, and personal data directly over to your new iPhone without losing a single item. Right before you kick things off, double-check that your Android has Wi-Fi turned on and both phones are plugged into power. You will also want to confirm your new iPhone has enough storage space to fit everything, even data sitting on an external micro SD card. It's always easiest to do this before setting up the new phone. If you already went through setup, you will need to reset it completely. If not, manual options are still on the table. To send your content over using the Move to iOS app, follow the on-screen prompts on your iPhone screen to start initial phone setup smoothly. Right when you reach the screen asking how to transfer your apps and data, choose the option to move from Android. If you have not downloaded the Move to iOS app onto your Android phone yet, go ahead and pick it up from the Google Play Store. An easy way to find it is by tapping the QR code up in the top right corner of the screen, then scanning it directly with your Android camera. Over on your iPhone, hit Continue to bring up a unique 6-digit or 10-digit code on the display. Open Move to iOS on your Android phone, where a prompt will ask you to review Apple's privacy policy before moving ahead. If everything looks good to you, tap Agree to confirm and then hit Continue. Finally, take a quick second to review and accept the software terms so the whole transfer process keeps rolling. If that sounds good, tap Agree to confirm and then just go along with the next steps. When your Android phone asks for that one-time code, go ahead and punch in the 6 or 10-digit code that popped up on your iPhone screen earlier. Right after that, you get to pick out all the stuff you want to move over. You might see a quick pop-up asking for permission to access your apps and stored data. If you're fine giving access to those items, tap Allow. You can transfer your Google account details, text messages, contacts, and even custom setups like display options and accessibility settings. Hit Continue as soon as you're ready to kick off the whole transfer. Even if your Android phone shows that everything finished up, keep both phones plugged in and sit tight until the progress bar on your iPhone completely fills up before you start using your devices. Depending on how much stuff you're actually moving, this whole transfer can take a bit of time to wrap up. Once the migration process finishes up on your iPhone, go ahead and tap Done on your Android phone. Then on your iPhone, tap Continue and just follow the remaining steps on screen to finish getting everything set up. And that's pretty much everything you need to know about transferring your photos, messages, and files from Android to iPhone. Switching from Android to iPhone is straightforward when you let the Move to iOS app do the heavy lifting. By preparing your devices, plugging them in, and following these steps in order, all your messages, photos, and contacts transfer over smoothly. It saves time, avoids file loss, and gets your new iPhone ready to use. So if you're planning to switch from Android to iPhone, then let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.